If you're experiencing issues with Minecraft multiplayer not working, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. You can test this by trying to browse the web or using other online services. If there are issues, restart your router or contact your internet service provider. Step 2. Verify game version. Make sure that all players are using the same version of Minecraft. Check for any updates in the game launcher and ensure everyone is on the same version to avoid compatibility issues. Step 3. Adjust firewall settings. Sometimes, your firewall may block Minecraft from accessing the internet. Check your firewall settings and add Minecraft as an exception to allow it to communicate through the firewall. Step 4. Check server status. If you're trying to connect to a specific server, verify that the server is online and not experiencing downtime. You can check the server status on its official website or community forums. Step 5. Restart the game and device. If all else fails, restart both the game and your device. This can help clear any temporary glitches that may be causing connectivity issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve issues with Minecraft multiplayer not working. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Minecraft support for further assistance.